Good morning. I just wanted to go over the metric conversion chart. Now you've probably done this before in previous science classes, but it's important to refresh. When we talk about science, we're not using English measurements, things like gallons or feet or miles. What we want to use is the metric system. And the basic units for the metric system are grams, which is our mass, so not pounds, liters, which is our volume, and then meters, which is our length. So when you see assignments, you're going to see them in these units. Now, converting within the metric system is actually very easy, and it shows you how to do that in these two panels. All you have to do is move the decimal place. There's no actual calculation that needs to be done. So let's look at this first one. I'm starting at 35 milliliters, and I want to go to some number of deciliters. I'm going to convert that from milliliters to deciliters, okay? And it shows you if you start here and have to move that way, to convert to a larger unit, move the decimal point to the left or divide. So we're going to move it as many times as we have to take a step. So from milli, you go 1, 2. So if I write my 35 here, and here's my decimal, I'm just going to move it this way too. 1, 2. And what that is 0.35 deciliters. Again, no calculation needed to be done. Just moving the decimal was enough. Now let's try this one here, number 7. I'm starting at centimeters, and I'm going to go to millimeters. So now I'm going the opposite direction. To convert to a smaller unit, move the decimal point to the right or multiply. So if I have 25 centimeters, and I'm going to move the decimal to the right, I only have to go one time. So from centi to milli is 1. So I move this over 1, put a 0 in there, and that's 250. Okay? I'm just adding the decimal and the 0 here so you can see it. You don't have to add that. 250 even would be fine. And you're going to do that for all of these. Just look which way you're going and move the decimal accordingly. Hope that helps.